already told this nigga that he see me, that he gon' put me on the shirt. They hate my reaction cause I am a savage. I go to the well, let us get to the church, Ooh, like young and May. I flood the strip with 100 plates. Horsepower screaming underlay. My amigo here move a ton of day.
Alright, y'all. So, Pat just touched down. I'm gonna show y'all what to expect when you order some DMCs. I know everybody are probably in their head thinking like, damn, you waited 6 months, damn, you, whatever they said, they was telling people they had to wait or whatever, they figured it out. I talked to my dog, I forget what his name is, the owner of DMC, forget what his name, I think it's Gary, or Bill, or something, I don't know, something like that, but I talked to him, he made it happen for me, you know what I'm saying? He told me they was ready, or he told me I could put my name on the list, and he'll call once they ready. He ain't taking my money or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? And maybe he told me end of January. It's January 7th or something like that right now. It's like the 10th or something. So I gotta wait earlier than I expected. And that's end of January when they gonna ship out. He called me, what that was, maybe today Tuesday, he called me maybe it was like Monday. Or like maybe last Tuesday, so a week. He called me and said, hey, if you want them, they ready. You know what I'm saying? If you want them, they ready. You hear me? So, I'm going to just show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what to expect when you order DMC 916 Alien. So, let me open the box up. You know what I'm saying? Man, there's some serious tape right here. So, this is how it's gonna look. Got your pipes right there, you know what I'm saying? Left pipe. Set this to the side. Right pipe. Feel me? Set that to the side. Got the hardware. Got the hardware in there, feel me? Let's see what that say. DMC 916, baby. Then you got the muffler, or whatever you want to call it, the silencer. This is how it's gonna come, feel me? Got the connecting parts. It's the right one. And it's the left one. Damn. Essentially, I'm gonna do a comparison. I have all the pipes now. Well, all the main pipes. I got DMCs, I got a bike with FMFs, and I got a bike with T5s. Actually, I got 2 sets of T5s. So I might do like a sound comparison and like a ride comparison, even though they're gonna be on different bikes. But they'll all be stock bore. But I'll do a comparison. I don't know if I'll do it in this video or another video. I might just drop this one, send this out, because I ain't got nothing else. I like to give y'all something to, have. But essentially that's it for this. I'm gonna get back with y'all in the next one.